Hi, welcome to JumperCableDadz. This is episode 2 of the Crosskart build. Hey, welcome back. Today on episode 2, we are going to try to tackle some of the issues that we had with last episode. We messed up on one of the bends. The clamp block slid and put our bend in the wrong location. So this piece is now trash. I bought a new piece. Got it cut to size, marked, all ready to go. To prevent the clamp blocks from sliding again, I'm being very meticulous and careful. When I tighten these down, I go about 1/8 of a turn on each one. Just tighten it down, test it out. Everything seems to be working fine now. Oh, and we followed Kyle's advice and went and bought a die grinder.
Alright, so we're gonna take a break from bending, but we did get the uprights, the rear uprights bent. So we're gonna shift gears and we're gonna start notching the 1.5 of the main chassis. Start with the floor, take our tape off, and that's what we're gonna get after right now.
Ready?
Yep.
How's that look?
Looks like it's notched. Today on JumperCableDadz, flux core welding a race car. Do you need help?
Kyle can do this by himself. Soaking on.
Are you saying you're as good of a builder as Kyle?
He says so in this video. Anybody can do this.
That's true, he does say that. All right, let's see if you can finish it by yourself. I'm gonna have to fast forward through this.
Am I lined up?
I'm not helping you. The goal for today
Is to have a cross cart?
No.
Oh.
No, I don't think we're gonna build a cross cart in a couple hours.
Is to get the frame off the jig?
Yeah. Is this the point where we just set it on the four-wheeler?
That's awesome. Use that one. Well, hey there, Crosskart fans.